How's it going, everybody? This is John McMillan with MarineMax Norwalk, and today I have the pleasure of walking you through a 2025 Sea Ray 250 SDX. Now, starting back here at the stern, if you could see on the transom, there is plenty of space on here. Come on board with this flip-down ladder. The whole family could fit on here. You actually have a very large step ladder, so that's going to sink about a foot into the water. You can stay back here in the stern, hang out, and it is very hard to ignore this beautiful sun pad. Plenty of storage underneath, and right next to it to the right is your battery storage. Easy access, really good to get to. You have 2 cup holders here. Those are 2 of 13 total on this boat. Sea Ray did a great job really building this boat to bring the whole family out. You have your freshwater intake right here on this side, and on the opposite side you have your gas cap. Now, moving closer to the cockpit, you see this beautiful lounging area. As you can see, the gorgeous upholstery, the signature Sea Ray stitching, beautiful logo, and the beautiful seafloor. As you can see, 2 gullies run alongside the seafloor right into the drain. So any water that gets in here spits right out of the boat. More cup holders. You have USB charging ports. Now, this is one of 4 USB charging ports. So the little kids can still text their friends, toddlers can charge their iPads, everybody's happy. Now, moving up to the cockpit, you have 2 beautiful Simrad displays, fish finder, chart plotter, music, you name it. Right within arm's reach, you have your toggle switches, your anchor, bilge pump, horn, whatever you need, it's all there. Convenient cup holder within arm's reach. Then to my right, you have your throttle, you have your auto active trim, start stop, and your ignition. Adding on to the cockpit, you do have an adjustable bolster. So calm waters, you could sit flat, little rough, little chop. You could sit up a little higher. This also does comfortably fit 2 people. So you have your captain and your co-captain. Now, moving over to this side, this seat as well also has an adjustable bolster. And my favorite part of this seat, you actually have a fusion radio. So if you don't like the music captain's playing, you could switch it up right over here. Now, as we move closer to the bow, right here to my left, you have your massive space head with a vacuum flush toilet. You have a sink in there as well with an overhead light. Right here to my right, you have even more storage in there, plenty of space. Sea Ray does pride themselves on providing tons of storage in all of their boats. Up here, you have even more storage, keys, phone, wallet, whatever you need. There's also a little drain in there as well, so any water that gets in goes right out. Now, sitting comfortably up on the bow, you can see there is plenty of space. It's really almost as much space as there is back in the cockpit. For reference, I'm 6'1", I fit with ease. This beautiful Sea Ray upholstery, signature stitching all throughout the boat. Right underneath me, you actually have additional storage with a drain in there. Now, right up front, you have your anchor well with a front bow cleat. And you have your 2 speakers right there. Okay, everybody, that is it for the walkthrough video. I told you a lot, but I did not tell you every feature of this boat. There is too many. This video would be about a half-hour long. I do hope you learned a lot. If you want to learn anything else, please call this number below here at MarineMax Norwalk. And like always, my friends, have a great day.